Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove hardtop Ford Bronco Easy Guide. Start by parking on level ground, set the parking brake, and disconnect the battery to prevent electrical issues. Grab a friend, torque sockets, a ladder, and blankets to protect paint. Unbolt roof fasteners in a consistent order and support the top as you lift. Move slowly and set the hard top on a padded surface to avoid scratches or dents. Begin by removing interior trim panels to expose the upper bolts and brackets, securing the hard top. Keep a labeled tray for bolts and fasteners so you don't mix them up later. Use fender covers or blankets on the body and hard top edges to prevent chips and scratches. Double-check that all electrical connectors and drain hoses are disconnected before unbolting to avoid tugging or damage during the lift. With all bolts removed, position 2 people at opposite sides of the roof and lift straight up, keeping the top level and steady. Move slowly and communicate clearly to avoid tilting or shifting that could damage paint or mounts. Carry the hard top to a padded flat area and lower it gently onto blankets or a stand. Secure the top so it cannot tip and cover it to protect from dust while you work or store it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.